Hello, my dear friends. Myself, Aman Sharma, teacher from Jashivai classes. Today we are with Shivani Saigal. She is a champion in swimming. She has three records in CBSE nationals, and in nationals she has a record of about 16 medals. Welcome, Shivani. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So, how is your journey towards the swimming, and how you are able to develop your interest in swimming?
I've always liked swimming since I was a kid, and the journey was very hard, but it had a lot of benefits for me, and I was able to achieve a lot of things. And it made me grow as a person a lot. So it was a very growing journey, basically.
Very growing journey. Okay. So, do you have swimming pool in your home or in the school?
Yeah, there's a swimming pool in the school, not at home.
Okay, okay, okay. So initially, how that idea strikes to your mind? Because there are plenty of other games like cricket, badminton, table tennis.
I've always liked the water.
Okay,
Uh, since I was young, I liked playing in it, and then when I became older, it became more serious, the interest.
okay.
And when I came into school, they had a program for swimming also to compete in nationals and
In which class?
clusters. In I started it in seventh class.
In seventh class. Okay,
Seventh class, but that was very still immature. I did not have an idea about swimming, and by the time I reached 11th
okay.
class, then I started swimming seriously in open games and in nationals.
Who supports you and who mentors you in swimming? Because in the nationals, if you are approaching towards the national, there will be mentor or there will be some support for you. So who is
Uh,
supporting you in that time?
my main supporter has been my mother since the beginning.
Okay,
There have been a lot of coaches and people who've helped along the way.
okay,
Mainly, it was my mother, and about the sports, about the competitions, we learned it by ourselves and by some people who were there before. It was, it took some time, but by the end, we were able to get the hang of it.
okay. Uh, how you are able to manage because in Pathankot, particular swimming pools are in the schools only.
Mm.
So, are you able to manage to have the practice time, practice session in the schools or not?
Yeah, in the schools, they were, we could practice, but it was coming in between studying time. So
Okay,
there was a lot of sacrifice on the studies side. The actual pool in Pathankot, the public pool, that one is not very properly maintained, so I was not able to swim over there. Otherwise,
so I hope from this video, authority will get the message that they should have a proper swimming pool so that youngsters like you will have the chance for the nationals as well as for the Olympics. Because if there is a particular setup for the practice, the youngsters will have the practice over there and get the chance for the medals for the India also.
yeah, most definitely. And even if it's just as a sport, as a daily activity, it's very good.
Okay. Uh, what is your aim for the further future?
I want to continue swimming and I want to become a doctor.
Okay.
I will try to balance them out, but right now I will focus more on becoming a doctor. And swimming, I'll keep it as an exercise mainly. But I will try to get medals again this year in
Okay.
nationals. Maybe make a few new records. I'll
Okay.
try.
Okay. uh, in between you have told that I have lot of sacrifices in the studies.
Hmm.
So you are a medical student and becoming to be a doctor.
Hmm.
So students have a lot more confusion also that if I go towards the sports side मेरी study छूट जाएगी ऐसा हो जाएगा. But if I reflect her result, she has first division in medical stream and also written the NEET exam with a good accuracy. So she is able to manage both the things.
Yeah, managing it is possible. I just where I was swimming, I was swimming with other kids and they did not really want to study and I had to train with them, so it was more like that, though I was studying side by side by myself, which helped a lot. And I
That's
continued with sir's classes in between online, though I wasn't able to come because I used to get tired from swimming. And it's just swimming is a very specific sport. It's in summers mainly. So when in summers I had to focus a lot. Though in winters I was free from swimming and I was studying at that time. It is possible to balance it out. It's not impossible. It is hard though. You will have to sacrifice sometimes one thing or the other. Balance you can find it.
Okay, how much is the practice time it does it require? If someone wants to be athlete in any of the particular aspect, how much practice time does they need on an average?
I don't know about other sports, but in swimming, it takes around 5 6 hours. Every practice is for 2.5 hours, 2.5 in the morning, 2.5 hour in the evening, and then about 1 hour of gym if you're able to fit it in. Otherwise, that's not needed, and rest in between is very important.
Okay, so now I am shifting my topic towards the virtual games.
Yes.
You also have a option like the other youngsters, those who are busy with the virtual games, and even parents have a lot more complaints that students are playing these games for 8 hours, 7 hours, 5 hours. Even government has banned that, even then they are using it.
Mm.
So why you are not shifted towards that one?
Virtual games, I wasn't ever good at it. My sister is much better at it. I am not that interested in it. My head starts hurting from the phone, and
So what is your message towards to the youngsters that they are playing the games, you are getting the medals, they are getting the specs, you are getting the good opportunities, they are getting the great schooling from the parents. So
I
which one is better? I think question has answered a lot more
yeah.
things.
I think you can still play with the phone. Obviously, it's not something that you should completely take out, but you should keep it in limits. 1 hour, maximum 2 hours in a day if you're free. But it shouldn't come in the way of studying or in the way of sports or anything else. It should be in your own free time while you're resting and things like that.
Okay.
You should maintain a balance. There shouldn't be too much of one thing in your life. That becomes even studying. You shouldn't study so much. That's also not good.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. How a student who is playing the sports, do they get the benefit in the study?
Most definitely in
How?
sports like myself, I have a national medal now, national medal, and I have records in state. So I have become a grade B in the gradation system, which will help me a lot in right now. After the results come out, I'll be able to get into a good college hopefully with this, and it'll help me a lot instead of getting much higher marks than I would have needed to be able to get into a government college in NEET. I can get, not that you should get lower marks, but it's easier now. You can
Yes,
able,
you will get a
yeah.
particular category of sports person,
Hmm.
in that they will appreciate your efforts, and also if you are still a good person in the sports, they will give you a chance at the nationals and at the international
Yeah.
levels also.
Then in university games, you'll play over there and you will get more benefits from the university itself.
Okay. Suppose a person is not able to get the nationals, but he is playing the games. Do he get efficient in the studies or not after playing?
And you will still have a grade in it. You will have a grade C in it, I think, if you have state medals, and district medals become grade D, I think. And it still helps swimming, even participation in a national game, it helps in the gradation. And but then I think it shows you will be able to understand by 1 year in a sport if you are actually good in it, or
Okay.
if it should take a back seat. Some people are not good in sports, some people they're better in studying. It
Yes,
depends
yes,
on the
yes, yes.
person.
Your answer has clicked me one question. Many of the students' parents are saying that they are crazy in the sports, and they are spending about, I think, 4 or 5 years they have spent
Hmm.
mostly in the cricket or the some other sports, and they are still sending them to the academies. They are saying they are good in the sports, but your idea has given them the answer that if the person is good in sports, he will get the reflection within 1 or 1.5 year,
Yeah.
that whether he is able to compete the real competition or not, whether he has that enthusiasm or not, or whether he is only playing for the his completion of the enthusiasm, not for making the records.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I am a simple boy, simple person, I play for 30 minutes, do my efficiency in answering the question is better,
I
or a person who is playing the virtual game will have more better IQ?
I think so that if you play sports, it activates your body, and then in turn, mind also gets more awake. You are more present in.
Kindly emphasize on this point. This is a very crucial point.
Yeah, you are more having even 30 minutes is more than enough to just wake your mind up in between studying to move around. You just take a walk, even it'll help a lot. In virtual games, I think it makes your mind lazy. I think I don't like it. I myself,
Yes,
I've never liked playing games before studying or after studying. If anything, if I want to take a break, I read a book. I've always liked reading books. It helps a lot. Most The thing that will help the most, I think, is physical activity. Virtual games is not a good thing to take a rest or to, I don't know, activate your brain
yes,
for it. It doesn't work like that.
yes. Human is a great combination of physical body, mind, and energy, and all three gets equilibrate. केमिस्ट्री में बड़ा होगा इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन होता है. सो ये तीनों का इक्विलिब्रियम मेंटेन होता है योग से, या फिर योगा से, या फिर स्पोर्ट्स से. स्टूडेंट्स के लिए स्पोर्ट्स बेस्ट है क्योंकि उनमें उनकी फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी खत्म हो रही है,
Yeah.
उनका अपना एंथोजियाज्म भी रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, साथ में कुछ नया करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी भी राइज हो रहा है. Okay, I wish you very best, and
Thank you, sir.
we have one appreciation prize for you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys for watching our results. So we are providing different courses: 10th, 11th, 12th, physics and maths, along with competitive exams like NEET, JEE, particularly for the physics and maths. So if you are willingful for this, limited seats are available. So kindly enroll fast, and we will try our best to enhance your future. Thank you.